Hey, this is Cool Trains of Montreal. I'm here at Dorval, waiting for a bus. It's about 3:25 p.m. on a Monday afternoon on the 28th of October 2024. And here we have a freight heading eastbound on track 2. Bit of a cool day today. Sunny though. About 7 degrees with no wind. As I said, I'm waiting for a bus. This is much more interesting than waiting at a bus shelter. Headed into Taschereau Yard, and it's going onto the 3rd track there. DPU. Loaded auto racks. Headed east from the factories of the Midwest US and the heartland of Canada. And there it is. Headed underneath the the bridge to the airport there. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.